How to remove cards from PayPal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily remove your credit or debit card from PayPal. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up PayPal on your PC or phone, then log into your account. Once logged in, at the top of your navigation bar, you can find the wallet section. So just go ahead and tap on wallet over here. Once you're on the wallet section, on the left hand side, you can easily find your card and other details like your bank details that's connected to your account. Just click on the card that you want to remove. And once you click on it, you can just go ahead and scroll down a bit. You'll find all of your card details here. Just scroll down a bit and you'll find the option to remove card. Just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take you to another page where you have this big remove this card button. Just click on it and confirm your removal. Then you've successfully removed your card from your PayPal account. That's pretty much it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, consider liking the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.